Hi everyone, and welcome to the future of enterprise connectivity. My name is Steve with PhotonFi. Today, we're diving into how PhotonFi can revolutionize the network environment of the manufacturing industry. Stick around to learn about the advantages and some real-world use cases. Let's get started. So, what is Li-Fi? Li-Fi, or light fidelity, uses light to transmit data. Unlike traditional Wi-Fi, which uses radio waves, Li-Fi leverages the infrared invisible light spectrum, offering several key advantages in the manufacturing setting. Let's first discuss interference-free communication. Factories typically consist of metallic structures that cause significant issues for Wi-Fi signal transmission. In contrast, Li-Fi is entirely immune to metal presence, ensuring wireless data connectivity where radio frequencies cannot penetrate. This allows for versatile manufacturing configurations with wireless connectivity everywhere. With Li-Fi, there are no hidden corners. Another major advantage is high-speed data transfer with low latency. Li-Fi offers incredibly fast and stable data rates, essential for real-time applications like robotic assembly and process automation. This high speed and low latency means the production process can run smoothly and efficiently with minimal delays. Now, let's look at some specific use cases. Imagine a robotic assembly line that requires real-time communication between machines. Traditional Wi-Fi can struggle with interference from other equipment, leading to costly delays and errors. With PhotonFi, the robots can communicate instantly and reliably using light, ensuring synchronized and precise operations. Another use case is inventory management. You need to have solid wireless coverage, not only for your workers, but also for connected robots. By integrating PhotonFi into your warehouse infrastructure, you can ensure that wireless connectivity is securely available where needed. Finally, we cannot forget about enhanced security and privacy. Li-Fi cannot go through walls or windows, keeping your sensitive production data confined within specific areas. This means a significantly lower risk of unauthorized access to tampering and cyber threats, making your network environment much more secure. To recap, adding PhotonFi to your manufacturing network environment offers interference-free communication, high-speed data transfer with low latency, and enhanced security. These advantages can significantly improve your operational efficiency and productivity. I hope you found this video helpful. Now let's go out there and share how PhotonFi can revolutionize the manufacturing industry with secure, reliable, and ultra-fast Li-Fi connectivity. For more information, reach out to me directly or visit PhotonFi at www.photonfi.net. Again, my name is Steve, and thanks for watching.